Option 1, I want to do the grand way. Okay, the people should memorize my function. My kids has to felt that array, my parents did this function wonderful way. In that very lavish way, very grand way, they did celebration. Okay, like that. Option number 2. Option number 2. Okay, with the medium level, I'm going to do, I'm keeping that function related amount, just I'm saving for them for their future is my second option. Third option, assume third option. I'm not telling you require to go to the third or second or first one. Third option. Okay, just is it compulsory required to do 50th year birthday? Okay, so I have this down. Is it required to celebrate this? Okay, is it required to celebrate this? Okay, like so without just a namesake in the house, if you are going to celebrate, under this amount, if I invest somewhere for these people, for these kids' education, for the kids' future, is it going to be helpful? Like I have 3 options are there in this. I'm not in a position to decide. Can you please compare these 3 options with the plus and minus? Okay, like ChatGPT, can you please do that? Like ChatGPT is always going to provide some more clarity. Get it, Sunita?
Yes, sir, got it.
Simple question, straightforward question. Just remember this question in your mind. Doing the function in the grand way, making a lifetime memory for your kids, for you, making that occasion as a lifetime memory for your kids and for you. That is the advantage. Next up, saving the same amount for your kids, for their entire life, you are providing financial safety for your kids. That is another option. Among these two, which you feel comfortable, think about that.